The secret of success. Once upon a time, a young man asked Socrates about the secret of success. Socrates called that young man the next morning. The next morning, when the young man met Socrates, he took him to the bank of the river. He went along with the young man into deep water. He drowned the young man. When the young man began to grow unconscious, all of a sudden he dragged him out. The young man took a deep breath and became very angry. Socrates smiled and asked him, "What was the thing that you needed the most while inside the water?" He answered, "I wanted to breathe." Socrates said, "This is the secret of success. When you begin to feel the necessity of success as breathing, nobody will be able to stop you from being successful." The longing for breathing is the unbreakable determination. Such a determination is needed to be successful. The two brothers. Once upon a time, there were two brothers who lived in a small village. The elder brother was hardworking while the younger brother was lazy. One day, their father gave them each a piece of land. The elder brother worked hard every day, planting seeds and watering the crops. The younger brother, however, did not work much. He spent most of his time sleeping and playing. As time passed, the elder brother's land became full of healthy crops. He had a lot of food to eat and even sold some in the market to earn money. The younger brother's land, however, was empty and dry because he did not take care of it. One day, the younger brother came to his elder brother and said, "Brother, I have no food. Can you help me?" The elder brother felt bad for him and gave him some food. But he also said, "You must learn to work hard if you want to succeed." The younger brother understood his mistake. He started working hard on his land just like his elder brother. Soon his land also became full of crops. From that day on, both brothers lived happily and helped each other.